Hi, I'm Mike Denninger, Vice President of Theme Park Development at SeaWorld Parks Entertainment. Here in 2016 at SeaWorld Orlando, we're really upping the thrills with Mako, Orlando's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster, reaching speeds of 73 miles an hour on a track that's nearly a mile long. Mako will deliver relentless airtime, leaving riders breathless and weightless. The ride vehicle is right here behind me, just arrived from Europe, from Switzerland. You notice the sleek aerodynamic lines on the ride vehicle in showing you the relation to the Mako shark. The lap guard and the seats are custom built for comfort as you traverse the entire ride, and the lap guard allows you to have upward mobility of your ride, so you feel a real free feeling as you're on the ride vehicle and during the ride experience. The construction site is moving along great. We've come a long way. We had our topping out of the lift hill, which is 200 feet in the air. Again, the tallest roller coaster in Orlando. We have our station well under construction, and the track is coming along really well too.